Language is everything. Language is the culture. Language is a belonging to a place and a community. I'm a first-generation Canadian. My parents immigrated to Canada from Spain. They came to this country and learned English in a program similar to the one here at CNC. And they both had very successful careers in Canada. The English language program at CNC gives those whose first language isn't English the opportunity for success. It helps people further their academic studies. It helps them have English for access and settlement, and it helps them become more fluent. Our program sees a variety of students of all ages, students who have just landed in Canada to those who have been here for many years. And we learn in a variety of ways, in a communicative classroom, through games and activities, and lots of talking. One of the things that gets me really excited is seeing students who have finished our program really succeed in the community.